打前地Historical streets of Macau, Largo da Cordoaria, square of the rope makers, tree and them rope makers. Yesterday they made a rope, today they make tea, and they play basketball in Largo da Cordoaria. History of streets in Macau, so many changes. So many changes. In Largo da Cordoaria. Yesterday they made a rope, today they make tea, and they play basketball in Largo da Cordoaria.
Okay, this little area is called Largo da Cordoaria, and we're just going to walk into this alley. It's actually connected to Garfu as well, so we're going to kind of show you a little bit of this area. We'll put it up on the map before we get started, and we'll show you exactly where we are. Look at all these apartments up here too. Okay, up on the map. Okay, we got another slice of Macau for you. Let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Without further ado, let's just get right into it as if you're there yourself. Another slice of Macau. So a little Largo da Cordoaria. We're gonna walk down it and then we're gonna go into Garfu. And then we're gonna just kind of show you what this area looks like. It's like an old Sue's Kitchen. Sue's Kitchen is a chain everywhere. Has like Thai food and Malaysian food, Singaporean food. Okay, so this is gonna lead into this one, which is Garfu, so you can see the sign Garfu, and then this space right here, Cordoaria. So we're gonna kind of meander around a little bit, Cordoaria, and we're gonna include it with Garfu, but you can see some basketball right in here. Let's see what else is in here. Oh, okay. Actually, there's quite a bit in here. Here's more of Cordoaria right there. Yeah, and they play basketball right here. So this will actually just follow all of Cordoaria around the basketball. So they're playing right there. So we have some other small lanes like Cabeza. The Capao right there, a little lane. Some of the basketball. Okay. And then we have a temple. You see the basketball? I think we're going to be going around the basketball court because I think Cordoaria kind of goes around like that. There's also a nice restaurant in there. It's kind of, yeah, this is really nice in here. Beautiful space. And there's the basketball, so you can play right up to the basketball. TV, fans. Okay. They're kind of getting all set up for Chinese New Year as well. We'll just walk out and go kind of around a little bit. You can just kind of see here. So I believe this is all Cordoaria as well, all the way down. We are going to come through there in a minute. This looks like a little owls. Okay. So that's a little bit of this alley that we didn't walk through. This is the street that it connects to. Okay, let's kind of come back this way. Okay. Magic treats. Oh, this is actually the cinema. So we're going to be walking down this way in a second. We also have a cinema right here too. So this is called Largo Cinema. This is actually one of the oldest and first cinemas in Macau. Let's just kind of see if we can walk out slightly. There it is right there, Cinema Alegria. You can see the Art Deco. Okay, so we are going to come in here. The Senado. Then we have all of these Vita Soy ice cream. So it looks like they have locks on them. So maybe they open up for certain events, maybe for Chinese New Year. And we'll just walk all the way down. This is like a barbershop right here. So you got a mirror and a TV, and a fan, and an old radio, Shanghai. Very cool. So yeah, this is all part of our Target Street. I was gonna combine that with that street called Garfield, but I think this is enough. Sankyo. Okay. Now we got more of this kind of green and red themes again. February 2026. Garlic, onions, canned goods, eggs, cleaning supplies, weights, pasta, noodles. And that's all that Sankyo right there, 1950. Okay. And that says Largo right there as well, so Largo. And then this all is part of the Largo as well. So to give you a little bit of context of all of it. So we're back at our Largo right there, so you can see the sign Largo da Cordoaria. And then this one is kind of Travessa do Garfield. Whole other area. It's all part of the Garfu as well. So our street was this Largo right over there. And we're gonna come to an ending of our video over here. But yeah, there's also all these used goods in these alleys. So there's even more over here. All right, so we're gonna end it right in here. We'll just walk, and then and there's even more down here.